I like to discuss that what is a pedagogy. Can anybody from the participants can share? If possible, you may give your comments in the chat box too. The chat box is also available. That is, pedagogy is a science of learning. Is it clear? I again, pedagogy is a science. When we use the word science, it means that it educates us how human beings learn, how human beings solve different problems, how human beings refine their decisions. It is a science and art of learning. To children, there is another term that I am going to share, that is a andragogy. Pedagogy is a method, are the techniques how to teach children. अब अगला क्वेश्चन आएगा कि चाइल्ड किसे कहते हैं. जो यूएनओ जो दुनिया चाइल्ड की तारीफ करती है, अ पर्सन फ्रॉम बर्थ टिल 8 year old, he or she is considered a child. How to teach children? It is a pedagogy. And how to teach adults? It is a andragogy. Because the interest, motivation, needs of children are not the same as the needs and interests of the adults. There are certain things that are common. अगर एक बच्चे को मैंने मोटिवेट करना हो 5 साल के, तो उससे मैं अगर ये बात कहूँ कि बेटा ये अब ये काम करेंगे तो मैं आपको टॉफ़ी दूंगा, दैट चाइल्ड इज़ हाईली मोटिवेटेड. लेकिन यही बात अगर मैं यूनिवर्सिटी के स्टूडेंट कहूँगा कि बेटे अपना सबक याद करो तो इसके बाद मैं आपको टॉफ़ी दूंगा, that motivation, that need is a useless for that child, for that learner, because the needs of that learner is quite different as compared to a child.